So what you're going to need to make this keychain is about 15 to 20 inches of string. It can be yarn or cord. I'm going to be using black cord, but you can use whatever you want. Beads, you can have as many as you want, but I'm going to be having 6, pink and black, also whatever color you choose. And a key ring, you can use one that already has keys on it, that's fine, as long as it has some available space. So what you're going to do to get started is you're going to take your cord and you're going to fold it in half so that the two sides are together. And you're going to take your key ring and thread the two sides through the key ring until you get to about where the loop is. Then you're going to take your two sides, thread it through the loop, and pull on the key ring until it's tight. So it should look something like this. And even if it's loose, that's okay. The beads will keep it in place later. Now you're going to take your first bead and thread it through one of the sides of the string all the way down. Then you're going to take the second side of the string, and in that same bead, you're going to thread it the opposite way, just like this. So it'll end up looking something like this, with the two sides coming in from either end. Then you're going to take your next bead and do the exact same thing, either with the same string or a different string. You're going to thread through and then put the other side through the opposite way. And you just want to pull it up alongside the other bead, and it should look something like this with the two beads together. It's okay if it's kind of lopsided, you can always fix it afterwards. Now you're just going to repeat that with your remaining beads. Once you finish threading your beads, you're just going to tie the final knot. I'm just going to do a regular double knot, but you might want to do a tighter one if you're not sure if they're going to fall off. And then all you have to do is trim the end, or you can keep it long. And you have your beaded string keychain.